What's going on? Caleb Graham here. Welcome to this lesson. I'm going to teach you in this video how to create a workspace or a custom workflow, a very intuitive, customizable, free workflow in a software called Airtable, Airtable, airtable.com. And I'm really excited to share this with you. I'm originally, let me start that sentence over again. I originally found this because I'm a music producer and also make beats and everything like that. Well, not really a music producer, I'm a beat maker, but that's what they call it, pretty much. Anyway, point is, I use this because I make beats with samples, and I store my samples inside of here. So I'll find samples I want to use, I'll find the YouTube link, and then I'll create like a beat ID number or a sample ID number, and then I'll put the YouTube link. I'll put a status like, is it finished? Have I made a beat with it yet? Is it complete? Is it in progress? So it's just, you can basically, the point is you can, have a workflow for anything that you're working on that you want to build a system around. And it was a very robust, full-fledged system I built, and I know you probably don't care about me making beats. I'm just saying it's applicable to you and whatever you want to build. If I can use it to make beats and organize my samples and the progress of my projects and whether I've used it or not, etc., with this software, you can definitely use it to build a prospecting system, a customer relationship management system, like your own free CRM that you utilize and are able to track your follow-up, like, whether you're doing prospecting, like as you can see at the top of this one, it's cold pitching. This is the one I'm working on, and it's whatever you want to do. So you can import and export data from here from a spreadsheet also. And I believe, unless they've changed it, you pretty much get 1,200 rows of information before you have to upgrade, but you can actually just add another workspace and get another 1,200 rows. So this is one workspace, but if I wanted to add another one, I could hit the plus sign from this homepage at the top right, hit start with a blank base, hit create a workspace, and now I've got another 1,200 free rows. I didn't have to sign up, I didn't have to pay or anything like that. So going back to my original one, I'm just going to show you some of what you can do, and this is all from my phone. You can do a lot more from the actual computer, I'm sure, but you can still do quite a lot from the phone. So let's just jump in. You just click the row right here, unnamed record, and let's see, name, I'll just put my name. Notes, I'll just write test. Assignee, put myself. Status, in progress, right? And I'll just hit X, and now I've got this row with a name, a little note. I've got an assignee and a status. And if I click it again, I can change it. I can say done. I can assign it to somebody else. I can write a new note here. I can duplicate it. But if you go here, right above that where it says assignee, status, notes, all that stuff, if you click that little part, if you even just click on the text, assignee or notes, like that's the little row here. Because if you click on that part where it says table 1, grid view, or next to that, if you tap next to that, it's not going to do anything. But if you tap right below it on the actual words, assignee, status, etc., you can pull it up and customize field. And now you can change the name of these options. So to do, let's say I want that one to be done. Let's say in progress is fine. And then maybe unfinished for, I don't know. It's the same as in progress, right? But, I'm just making this up for the example. Let's put stuck. Why not? You could change the color to uncomfortable red color and put done as the green, right? Like new option. You could just add a new color, click on the color, change it, and then name it, right? But that's how you can change the options. You can change the field name, status. Let's put, test, I don't know. Not teat, that's weird. I did not mean to type that out. Yeah, basically, field type, single select. Here we go. This is where it gets powerful. It's amazing how you can do all this from your phone, right? So I'm gonna click the plus sign. Now I've got a new one. X out of it, but go back and click on that row at the top, assignee, test, wherever you want to click that little row. Customize field type. So you can, so that if I click assignee, customize field, I'm now customizing that. So it's field type because it's assignee. So it's just another user, a fellow user, someone you're working with. But I could change that and say I want to put a phone number instead. Save. Now assignee just has my name, but it's like got a number pad pulled up. So now I can just, let me not put my actual number in there. All right, so yeah. Now it's a phone number. You can see the phone logo at the top there, and it pulled up automatically as a number text pad, and it also shows an icon to call or text. So I can text that number, I can call that number, because it's a phone field. But if I customize that field, again, go to field type, go to multiple select. Now I've got these multiple options, instead of the phone number. So now the phone number is showing up under assignee as an option that I can choose. So I can deselect that. I can make this be X now, or I can select it back as that phone number now. So this should give you an idea of just how crazy creative and intuitively you can flow to create your own thing. So like if you want to, let's see, insert right, you can choose a whole new type of field and say, okay, stage, let's say stage, and it's going to be follow up stage. And I can have, instead of it being single line text, I can make it be multiple select, new option, no follow up yet, new option, follow up one complete, right? New option, signed contract, right? Done. Now I can save that and I can click, let's say I want to add a new person. Let's say John, prospective client for copywriting. No assignee. What stage is he at? Follow-up one is complete. And now you don't even have to save anything. You just X out and it's done. Now you have that row there, and he's stage follow-up one complete, right? So that's just the start. That's just me starting something, and you can insert left or right, etc. But that's how you can customize the fields and start building your own workspace inside of Airtable. And again, this is free, and you can customize it for anything. In fact, I want to show you my beat making template. So I'm going to show you real quick just how advanced this can get. If I go in here, go to samples, I have video name link, status, beat name, beat stars link, YouTube link. And if I go here to the status, I have not downloaded, downloaded, FLP in progress, beat finish / live, or rejected. These are all samples that I have the YouTube video name and the YouTube video link, but you can see how under this field, customized field, it's a single line of text. It's just for the video name. Under this field, it's a link. Field name link, field type URL, right? Because a YouTube link. Status, customized field, single select. So it's just all these options that I have predetermined. Single select, you can just choose one. As opposed to, I think that's what that means. Single select, meaning like, you know, if I choose, let's open this one that's finished. If I click downloaded, now it just bounces me out. I can't select multiple options. I can only select one at a time. So it's a single select versus multiple select, in which I could select, you know, let's say not downloaded and downloaded at the same time would be multiple select, but that doesn't make sense for this because that'd be contradicting itself. Beat name, single line of text, I believe here. Beat stars link is a URL. You know, this is just another single line of text. So you can get the idea here from just how I've set this up with my samples, which I have like 800 samples or something like that, which is nuts. And they're all tagged mostly as downloaded, or later on it's like not downloaded. But I mean, I literally have an obscene amount of samples. But that being said, that's how you use Airtable. Hope this helped you. I hope you enjoyed the video. And also, if you click this little button on the top right, you can hide fields, filter, group, sort. That's another little feature it looks like here on the phone that I've never messed with, but is there. Yeah, so hope y'all enjoyed that, and that's how to use Airtable. I'm Caleb from calebgrandmarketing.com, and I'll see you on the next lesson. Peace.